Hey guys, Matt here with Evolved Physical Therapy and Performance, and we're talking about a lateral hip band opener today. This is a really good one if you're working on your hip mobility for the outside or the lateral part of your hip, or if you're just recovering from a workout that blasted this area and you're trying to feel better. You're going to start with a band around the rig or some other object that's not going to move around hip height when you're kneeling or a little bit higher. You're going to step into the band and you're going to pull that all the way up into your groin. And then with the leg that's in the band, you're going to kneel down and get yourself in this position. Now with this kneeling leg, you're going to end up going into a figure 4 position or a pigeon position. So that's going to look like this. Here, and I get that big stretch through the groin and all the way in the back of my hip. Now with this, I can rock back into my back leg, or I can shift my weight to get that desired stretch that I'm looking for in that out or back side of my hip. Kind of think of near your back pocket. And you're just gonna stay here for 1 to 2 minutes. Now, if you're looking to get more out of this, stay there for a little bit longer. You can also hold here as a static position, or you can kind of rock back and forth into that where you're more pulsing. If you need to feel that good stretch, let off for a little relief. Feel that good stretch, let off for a little relief. That's entirely up to you. The last thing that you can do to change this and make it a little more fine-tuned for you is change how far you're putting your chest forward, or change that angle of your chest a little bit, or you can change that relative to your foot and your hip. You can have more or less of that stretch depending on what you need to really get that stretch in the outside, backside of that hip. Like we said, that lateral hip opener with the band.